बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास 11 फिजिकल एजुकेशन ऑफलाइन क्लास। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो द चैप्टर फिजियोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन। नो, इट्स फिजियोलॉजिकल जो हमने इससे पहले पढ़ा है, इट्स द साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन। इससे पहले हमने पढ़ा था फिजियोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन। आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन। How psychology has importance in the field of physical education and how much need of psychology is in gamers and supports। अगर हम देखेंगे फर्स्ट, एक इंसान जो है इट्स ए बायोलॉजिकल मशीन। मैन इज कंसिडर्ड एज ए बायोलॉजिकल मशीन, बट देयर आर टू पार्ट्स in this machine that are very important। एक तो होता है the part that thinks, that gives direction, and number two, the working process, the working part means the behaving part, means the body को as a biological mechanism we can we can think and another one can behave, simply psychological aspects physical education का ये है क्योंकि it's influenced by the second part, that is the thinking part। A machine in which there are two types, there are two important prospects। First one is the thinking, the directing machine। The direction is the machine head that directs, जो direct करती है, that makes the conscious control over our activities or our behavior, that is the thinking part। This thinking part is entirely called the brain। जो directing part होता है, the part that makes the direction is the thinking part, उसको बोला जाता है that is the brain या mind। Number two is the behaving part of the body, that's called the body। Simply these two parts of man, तो अगर हम जानते हैं these two parts of the man thoroughly अगर हम देखेंगे are different। The thinking part and the behaving part are theoretically जब हम पढ़ेंगे इनको, when we look according to, when we study about this, when we look about this, we study about this and theoretically we will look at that these are separated from each other, but अगर हम देखेंगे they are interrelated and they have a very good interrelationship with each other। That's why it said that the man is a psychophysical unit in which there is the equal importance of body and mind। Similarly अगर हम देखेंगे body is the home of the mind, in spite of that it will be a complicated relationship, but body is the home of the mind, but simply it is not possible to study or to analyze any person विदाउट साइकोलॉजी। साइकोलॉजी के बगैर हम किसी इंसान को स्टडी नहीं कर सकते हैं, उसको एनालिसिस नहीं कर सकते हैं। एंड साइकोलॉजी हैज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंस। इट इज द साइंस दैट स्टडीज द माइंड बाय ऑब्जर्विंग द बिहेवियर ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल अंडर वेरियस कंडीशंस। सिंपली स्टडी psychology means to study। Psychology has very much importance in physical education। इसकी क्यों importance है physical education में? इसकी importance इसलिए है क्योंकि psychology is that science। Psychology वो science है जो कि हम study, which is that science by which we can study the mind, जिससे हम mind को study कर सकते हैं by observing the behavior of an individual। किसी बच्चे का या किसी एथलीट का या किसी और शख्सियत का हम उसका जो बिहेवियर ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, एनालिसिस करेंगे, उससे हमें पता चलता है कि हाउ मच साइकोलॉजिकली ही इज एबल, हाउ मच साइकोलॉजिकली ही इज साउंड, कितना साउंड है, कितना अच्छा है। वी कैन एनालिसिस इज बाय ऑब्जर्विंग हिज बिहेवियर इन वेरियस कंडीशंस, वेदर इट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ द हैप्पीनेस, whether it's the conditions of fear, whether it's the conditions of playing, whether it's the conditions of doing his job। There are so many definitions by the philosophers, psychologists। उन्होंने दिया है कि by which we can further understand the importance of psychology and the psychology. अगर हम बात करेंगे साइकोलॉजी जो है कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दो वर्ड्स है साइको एंड लॉजी. साइको मीन्स जिसको सोल भी बोला जाता है, माइंड भी लॉजी, एंड लॉजी मीन्स स्टडी. लॉजी मीन्स स्टडी. सिंपली इट मीन्स द स्टडी ऑफ माइंड, स्टडी ऑफ सोल, स्टडी ऑफ माइंड. दैट मीन्स वर्ड्सवर्थ की डेफिनेशन है अबाउट द साइकोलॉजी, वो है ये कि द साइंस ऑफ एक्टिविटीज ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. वर्ड्सवर्थ की जो वर्ड्सवर्थ ने जो साइकोलॉजी को डिफाइन किया उसने क्या है कि साइकोलॉजी इज द साइंस ऑफ एन एक्सरसाइज ऑफ एक्टिविटीज ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल इन रिलेशन टू हिज एनवायरनमेंट. मीन्स द साइंस ऑफ एक्टिविटीज ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल in which it has relation to its environment. मैकडोगल का कहना है कि psychology is a science that aims to give us better understanding, better control of the behavior of an better control and better behavior of an organism as a whole. ये तीसरा भी हम कह सकते हैं, क्रूक्स और स्टेन has defined that psychology is a scientific study of human behavior, mental process, study of behavior, mental process of human and other animals. Quake psychology has very much importance in the field of physical education as well as, क्योंकि हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि psychology means the study of mind, study of an individual, study of the mind of an individual by studying his activities or behavior in different situations. Since brain is the moving force behind our activities, क्योंकि हम ये कैसे कह सकते हैं कि psychology has importance and psychology is the study of the behavior, क्योंकि whenever we perform any activity, जो भी हम behavior change होते हैं, जो भी activities हमें होते हैं, and these activities happen only when there is only a force, that is the brain. Brain is the moving force behind our all activities of and our body and our behavior, and also exerts their influence in shaping the mind. Simply, brain is the moving force behind our activities, so that when we perform any activity, it's influenced by the mind. It has been directed by the mind. So it's very important we can study the behavior of an individual. We can study the mind of an individual by observing his behavior. Psychology assumes very much important. It's a science which has the universal accessibility. क्यों? By which we can analyze, we can review, we can study the mind of a person by looking his behavior. Thank you very much.